friends. So we're going to show you how to use oils on your pets. No, I'm just kidding. That's going to be in a different video. We are going to show you 3 ways to use your oils, okay? 3 very simple ways. The first one is you can actually, with Young Living oils, because they are so high quality and the way they are made, you can actually ingest the oils, okay? And this is if you need like extra immune support or lemon in your water, those types of things, okay? So sometimes for us, if we're coming down with something, and this is the thieves oil that's found right in your starter kit, if we're coming down with something and I want to make sure that we knock it out before it gets us, I will take this thieves oil, and then hopefully you can see these from the video. These are clear capsules, just like you would take your vitamins in, but usually there's already stuff in them. Okay, so these are just, and you can get, these are vegetarian capsules you can get on Amazon, or I got these at Whole Foods. So you're going to take your Vitality oil, and if you're not sure what Vitality means versus the other oils, you can check out some information we have in our Bocrusty Essentials group on that. But the Vitality oils are marked so you know they're safe for ingesting. And you just put like 3-ish drops, depending on the age of the person. Okay? Put your cap on top and swallow it down. And that's it. Okay? Okay, so that's one way you can do your oils, is internally. Okay? Next way you can do them is with a roller. I love the rollers because they definitely help keep the oils handy, with you all the time. I have oils in my purse for everything. And it also honestly stretches the oils to help them be more affordable. And because for pennies you can make a roller that's fantastic immune support, you can make an oil that's fantastic emotional support, hormone support, all the things, okay? So rollers come in all different shapes and sizes. You can get super fancy. This is a fancy set of oils, rollers that I bought that have crystals inside. You can get ones that have labels on them, pretty labels. I use washi tape for a lot of mine. I think there's one up here in a washi tape. You can just do that, super simple. One of the ways that I like to also stretch my oils is when I get down to the very bottom of a little bottle. So this has the straight oil in it. There's just a little bit left. I'll take this fractionated coconut oil, or Young Living has a V6 carrier oil that works really well. This you can get on Amazon, either way. And I just pumped enough to fill the whole thing. And basically what I just made is my own roller. And then Young Living sells these little tops. They are roller tops. They fit super tight right on their bottles, and they're very inexpensive. Just grab one of those, and then you've got your own roller. So this is one of my favorite oils. It's not in the starter kit, but it's called Gratitude, and I absolutely love this oil. Do not like to go without it. And so this would be, and this is a special cap that goes on with the roller, this would be one that I would keep in my purse all the time, okay? It's great to breathe in, and I use it all day long. So that is a super simple way to stretch your oils and then make a roller top without even having a bottle. But let me show you one in here. So let's just do lavender in here. Maybe, okay. So lavender's another one that comes right in your starter kit. Here's my fancy oil. In a roller, this is a 10 mil. I'm going to do about 6 drops. So see, for pennies, you can get this whole thing filled up with great support for all the things. Lavender basically supports everything. And you just fill it up. This is a great one to pull out for your littles in the car if they feel car sick, or if they're upset, or even a bug bite. Like really, lavender fixes everything. Okay, there we go. And then you just pop that down on top so it's super tight. Put the lid on. Label it somehow, however you want to label it. Like I said, I use the washi tape. And then you've got another roller, okay? So now you can see how easy they are. And then the other way, so you've got your first way is to do the capsules, ingesting them. Second way is to make a roller. third way I'm going to have Abby show you is to just put them on topically, okay? So a lot of times I keep our oil stuff out all the time so it's really accessible. So just put a small pump of coconut, especially for children, not necessarily Abby's size, but little bitty ones. Make sure you check out our group for the information on how to dilute for different ages. Okay, so put a little bit of, like if Abby was upset about something or feeling out of sorts, I would say, go grab the lavender. Go ahead, put your coconut oil. I know it's kind of stuck. Oh gosh, well, we just made a mess. Okay, and then she would put a couple of drops like that, pull it in, and then do your own personal diffuser into your hands. So take 2 or 3 just really deep breaths, and you can just rub it on your body. Rub it on your neck. Where else do you like to rub it, Abby?
My back.
Bottoms of feet. Those aren't always as accessible, but we do that at night. I also do the insides of my arms, so where it gets into your system and doing what it's supposed to do quickly. So, okay, so that's it.
Okay.
What's your favorite roller combination?
Really like the lavender.
The lavender is your
Yeah.
favorite. Yeah, we use lavender for everything. So, anyway, easy peasy, guys. Don't be afraid. Mix some rollers and let us know how you did.